Magandang araw sa lahat. The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Limbas Law Corner is back, and we will be discussing another topic which is very much prominent and of course important. Every time there are crimes committed by prominent individuals with big names, we can hear all over the media, and some claiming that, this individual should be utilized as a state witness. So what really is a state witness? Can a suspect, within the meaning of our law, the rules of court in particular, be utilized as a state witness? Well, when we say a state witness under the rules of court, it means that the witness is already charged in court as an accused. Meaning to say, after the office of the prosecutor, maybe provincial or city prosecutor, filed an information in court after a preliminary investigation, or if the accused was arrested, after an inquest proceeding. Okay, paano magkakaroon ng state witness? Suppose there are several accused, about 3 or 5 of them, and that the prosecution do not have direct evidence. The prosecution is merely relying on circumstantial evidence. So in court, it is really very much difficult to prove the guilt of all the accused, the 3 or 5 of them. So what would be the remedy of the trial prosecutor to ensure that there will be justice for the crime victims, that the accused will be convicted? Well, the prosecutor, the trial prosecutor, will choose among the 5 accused to be utilized as a state witness. Alamin niya who among the 5 does not appear to be the most guilty and has not been previously convicted of a crime involving moral turpitude, and that the testimony sa taong ito ay talagang absolutely necessary so that all the other accused will be convicted, so that the crime victims can secure justice. Gagawin niyang state witness yan. Pero hindi tapos ganun, hindi ganon. Because the accused to be utilized as a state witness, if he is qualified, he should execute an affidavit. He should execute an affidavit to the effect that he will state how the crime was committed. And of course, he will point out the participation of each of the accused, including himself. So nandun na yung affidavit. Then the prosecution now will file a motion in court, in the trial court, moving that Mr. X, for instance, will be declared as a state witness. Aba, sabi ng hukuman after reading the affidavit, oo nga no, his testimony is really absolutely necessary so as to convict the other 4 accused. Then it may be granted by the trial court. Yun yung state witness. Siya na yung gagamitin ng prosecution. I repeat, bakit the prosecution will utilize a state witness? Kasi nga walang direct evidence, only circumstantial evidence. Pag yun lang ang gagamitin ng prosecution, most probably the five accused will be acquitted. Di walang justice na naman. Sisigaw na naman ang mga biktima, hostisya. O to secure justice, then the prosecution will utilize one of the accused as a state witness. Ganun yun. Kaya kung mga suspect pa lang, nasa Hindi pa nga nahuli, hindi pa nga nakulong. Sinasabi na, ay, gagawing state witness yan. Ganito ng Department of Justice. No. Pag sinabing state witness, accused na yan. At maging state witness lang yan kung papayag yung trial court. Papayag upon motion of the prosecution. Maraming qualification dyan. Ang testimonya ng accused to be utilized as a state witness ay hindi lang pangdagdag sa ebidensya. Hindi yung to corroborate lamang. Hindi. Kung hindi talagang absolutely necessary because of absence of what? Direct evidence. Because the prosecution is relying only to circumstantial evidence. Alright, so we hope that our topic for today will help the public in knowing what is really a state witness. Well, this is another public service of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Limbas Law Corner, particularly by the different Limbas Eagles Club in Antipolo City, Province of Rizal. Okay, so maraming Eagles Club, buong bansa, napakarami. Antipolo, marami din. Pero kung naisin ninyong sumali, pipiliin ninyo, gusto namin doon sa one of the Limbas Eagles Club in Antipolo City. Then if you are from Antipolo, baka sakali may kakilala kayo dyan, saan ba itong mga club na ito, you can apply naman. Baka sakali matanggap din kayo. Sa amin naman, meron kaming sariling club, yung sa amin, yung tinatawag na the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club. Okay, kung gusto mo dito sa amin, pwede rin. Pwede rin. So, maraming salamat at sana tangkilikin ninyo parati itong aming munting YouTube channel na ito para makapaglingkod sa sambayanang Pilipino sa larangan ng batas. Maraming salamat.